हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी दुनिया। तो दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो में हम कंप्यूटर और पावर पॉइंट का एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन करेंगे, जो आने वाले सभी एग्ज़ाम के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। तो चलो आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम जूम परसेंटेज इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी 400%। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, to select more than one slide in the presentation. Right answer option 2, control plus click on slide. Next question, which is the shortcut key to start a presentation from the beginning? Right answer option 1, F5. Next question, to print the PowerPoint presentation, press. To print the PowerPoint presentation, press. Right answer option 4, Control plus P. Next question, which file format can be added to a PowerPoint show? Right answer option 4, all of above. JPG, GIF, WAV. Right answer all of above. Next question, what is slide transition? What is slide transition? Right answer option 4, a special effect used to introduce a slide in a slideshow. Next question, what is motion path? What is motion path? Right answer option 1, a method of moving items on a slide. Next question, in order to edit a chart you can. Right answer option 3, double click the chart object. Next question, what is the best way to create another copy of a slide? What is the best way to create another copy of a slide? Right answer option 1, right click to choose duplicate from shortcut menu. Right click and choose duplicate from shortcut menu. Next question, to open the existing presentation, press. To open the existing presentation. Right answer option D, Control plus O. Next question, to insert a hyperlink in a slide. To insert a hyperlink in a slide. Right answer option 4, both A and B. Both 1 and 2. Choose insert next hyperlink. Option 2, press Ctrl plus K. Right answer option 4, both 1 and 2. Next question, from which menu you can insert picture, text box, chart? From which menu you can insert picture, text box, chart? Right answer option 3, insert. Next question, PowerPoint presentations are widely used as. Right answer option 4, all of the above. Option 1, note outlines of teachers. Option 2, communication of planning. Option 3, project presentation by students. इसका राइट आंसर ऑल ऑफ द अबव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ कैन यू स्टॉप ए स्लाइड शो? हाउ कैन यू स्टॉप ए स्लाइड शो? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन 1, प्रेस एस्केप. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, to selected design template can be applied. To selected design template can be applied. Right answer option 4, all of the above. To all the slides, to current slide only, to all the new presentation you create. Right answer option 4, all of the above. Next question, a new presentation can be created from. A new presentation can be created from. Right answer option 4, all of the above. Blank presentation from design template from existing presentation. Next question, to start Microsoft PowerPoint application. To start Microsoft PowerPoint application. Right answer option 3, Win plus R, next Power PNT, next then press enter. Next question, to start slideshow of a presentation. To start slideshow of a presentation. Right answer option 4, both 1 and 2. Press F5 key to start slideshow presentation, and from slideshow menu choose view show option. इसका right answer option 4. Next question, which shortcut key insert a new slide in current presentation? Right answer option 2, Ctrl plus M. Next question, which of the following is the default page setup orientation of slide in PowerPoint? Right answer option 3, landscape. Default page setup orientation, landscape. Next question, if you want a PowerPoint photo album slide show to play continuously. If you want a PowerPoint photo album slide show to play continuously. Right answer option 1, loop continuously. Right answer option 1, loop continuously. Next question, what are symbols used to identify items in a list? What are symbols used to identify items in a list? Right answer option 3, bullets. Next question, special effects used to introduce slides in a presentation are called. Special effects used to introduce slides in a presentation are called. Right answer option 2, transitions.